The OnePlus 13s is officially stirring the tech scene. Powerful specs, insane visuals, and a sleek build. But is it the real flagship killer? Let's break it down. Compact yet premium. The 13s comes in at 158mm tall, rocking a slim 8.2mm body and weighing just 185 grams. Built with a glass front and an aluminum alloy frame, it's IP65 rated for splash and dust protection. Visuals? Jaw-dropping. A 6.32-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with 1 billion colors, 120Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, and HDR10 Plus makes everything look cinematic. With 1600 nits of brightness, it's a beast outdoors too. Running Android 15 with OxygenOS 15, it's fueled by the all-new Snapdragon 8 Elite, a 3nm powerhouse with Orion V2 cores. Graphics? Handled by the Adreno 830 GPU. Translation? Zero lag. Pure speed. You get up to 512 gigabytes of UFS 4.0 storage. No card slot. But with this speed and space, who's complaining? Camera game? Strong. Dual 50 megapixel lenses. Wide and telephoto with 2x optical zoom. Features like optical image stabilization, a color spectrum sensor, and 4K video at 60 frames per second with Dolby Vision make it a creator's dream. The front packs a 16 megapixel shooter, wide angle with HDR and sharp 1080p video. Clean for vlogs or reels. A 660 mAh battery with 80 watt wired charging keeps you going all day. And stereo speakers. Yup. No headphone jack though. Sorry wired fans. Bluetooth 5.4. Wi-Fi 7. Full GPS suite and NFC and even an IR blaster all packed in. Plus, circle to search and an under-display fingerprint scanner for smooth daily use. The OnePlus 13s is bold, balanced, and blazing fast. Is it your next daily driver? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe to Threemonkeys for more epic tech breakdowns.